So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can flip text upside down or mirror it and use it anywhere you want without any software. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for upside down text dot com. Just simply go to this website and wait for it to respond, and here you have to write let's just write this is a sample, and it will gonna, you can see it generated an upside down text for the same within seconds that I can use, and even I can get the HTML code for the same. You can see multiple codes have been there that are called unicodes that can be used on HTML. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.